Hello everyone, my name is Gayatri Saha. I have completed my MCA and I have 3 years of experience in teaching computers in renowned schools in Varanasi. So today I'll be teaching Excel to class 5, and here now I'm sharing my screen. So today we will be learning about the Excel functions, how to format the text that we insert in the workbook, some useful tips and formulas. How do we use it? Why do we use Excel? It is used for budgeting. Then we can use it for making reports. Like if you're in a school, we can make a report card and do calculations, data analysis, and each workbook the same way as the book that we study every day. So in the same way, we have a workbook which is made up of many worksheets. As many worksheets you can include in your workbook. Each worksheet is made up of cells, grid of cells, and the workbook by default is saved as book 1. How do we open MS Excel? So to open MS Excel, we have to click on the start button and then choose MS Excel program, and then you have to open a new document. A new workbook will appear with the name book 1. Each workbook is a worksheet or has many worksheets that can be included. So this is the front view of the MS Excel sheet. So here you can see this is the quick access toolbar, and this is the menu bar. This portion is called see. This is the ribbon, and this is mainly used for formatting. Here you can see how you can cut, paste, and then copy. This is the font size. And here you, with the help of these icons, you can do alignment, indentation. You can insert $ and percentage sign, and you can increase the values. Suppose you want to write in decimals, so you can increase the zeros by clicking on these icons, and there are many more that you will learn it further. So this is the name box where the selected cell's address can be seen here, and this is the formula bar. If you want to do calculations on and all in the worksheets, so you can use this bar to calculate do the calculations. What are the basics of Excel? So each Excel, as I told you, each Excel sheet is made up of grid of cells, and then every cell has a distinct coordinates. As I told you, this suppose here, you can see the address of this cell is A1, then this is B1, C1. Likewise, if you come down here, this address of this cell is C4. And with the help of these coordinates, you can do the calculations and all. In each cell, you can do one entry only. Either it can be text or either can be numbers. How can you save this workbook? By just clicking on the file and then click on the save button, or either you can use the shortcut key that is Control S to save your workbook. So here, see how you have saved it. Suppose to remember the file name, you have written the name of the file and then the date that you have created, and then this is the version, and dot is the and dot XLS. This is the extension. This will make you understand that it is an Excel file. Now, since we use advanced feature of the Excel, the extension is .xlsx. How you can do the cell formatting? It is on the number. Then you can do the alignment and increase the size. As I told you, you can increase the size of the font and color it also. Then you can place the border of in your document. Now you can insert comments also. Suppose you can write a comment like, so that this is for your understanding. Suppose you don't forget things in future. So you write comment, and when you click on this comment, you can see what was it meant for. So formatting, we use it in the grid lines, and new worksheet can be included in the document. So this is the standard toolbar, where you can see that there are many buttons that can be used in your document. To save a document, you have to click on this button. Then this is for the new document. And this is to open the existing files that you have saved in your computer. This is used for permission. Like if you have locked it, then you will be asked for the permission. This is to email your document, then print. And this is for spell check. Print, if you want to print your workbook, then you can click on this icon. Here is for cut, copy, paste, as I have earlier told you. This is the button for summing up your values. This is for sorting your texts. And this is for drawing. This is to make the chart of the data that you have inserted. This is to view in the percentage, what percentage you want to view it. And this is used to help. If you want any help from the, if you don't understand things, then you can take help from this button. Now this toolbar, as I have told you, is to format the document, to change the font size, then change font, also whatever is your requirement, to bold the text, italics, underline. This is for alignment, and this is to merge and center. You can merge some 3 to 4 cells and write it as a heading of the document. This is to insert $ and percentage sign if there's any requirement. Font color and background color. If you want to insert, suppose there are 15 to 16 pages in your workbook, and you want to have headers and footers in your document, so you can click on the header option, and this whatever header you have made in one page can be seen in all the 15-16 pages that you have created. Likewise, the footer also, if you want to insert page numbers or versions or any copyright things, then you can insert it in the footer, and it can be seen in all the pages. Freezing panes, if you want to compare the values that you have inserted on the rear side of the page, then you can freeze a pane and you can slide the other portion of the pages. To sum up the values, you can just click on the sum button just by selecting the range. You have to just press Control key and select the range, and you can sum it by clicking on the sum button. Likewise, in the function button, you will see there are many other options that you can use it, like average, count numbers, maximum and minimum also can be calculated by using these buttons. So you have to just select the range, and you can click on these buttons to get the average, get the maximum and minimum. So here, how you can create the formulas, just you have to click on the formula bar and you have to write equal to sign, and then write the cell ranges where you want to add up the cell values, addresses of the cell. See, you can use equal to sign and then write the values also, or the cell addresses to add, subtract, multiply, and divide in the formula bar. Thank you for your time, and Today we have learned about how to save your file, open your file, create how to create functions, and how to use formulas, and how to format the text. Thank you for your time. We will see you in the next session.